This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Thursday, June 3rd. At the start of last year, NASA awarded 4 teams $3 million each to develop potential missions the space agency could expand into full-fledged expeditions. It now plans to move forward with 2 of those projects, and there's a shared Venus theme between them. The first of those is called the Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging, or Da Vinci Plus for short and something that's less of a mouthful. The craft will travel to Venus to snap high-resolution photos of the planet's surface and its unique geological features, including its continent-like tesserae. It will also deploy a descent sphere that will travel through the planet's atmosphere collecting data on the gases located there. The hope is that Da Vinci Plus will help scientists determine if Venus ever had an ocean and to understand how the planet became such a hothouse. The second mission, Veritas, or Venus Emissivity Radio Science INSAR Topography and Spectroscopy, will travel to the planet to create detailed 3-dimensional maps of its surface using a synthetic aperture radar. It will also track infrared emissions from the surface to map the makeup of its rocks, which is something scientists don't know a lot about. With Veritas, NASA hopes to gain a better understanding of how geological forces work on Venus and to understand why the planet developed so differently from Earth. To make these projects a reality, NASA is providing each one with approximately $500 million in funding. The agency says it expects they'll launch from Earth sometime between 2028 and 2030. Both Da Vinci Plus and Veritas came out of its Discovery program, which sees scientists pitching NASA on relatively low-cost missions. One of the more recent craft to come out of the program was the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. In entertainment news, on June 15th, Netflix's growing catalog of interactive shows will include an experience from meditation app Headspace. If you already use the platform, you'll have a good idea of what to expect. Once you decide whether you want to meditate, relax, or fall asleep, the soothing voice of Headspace co-founder Andy Puddicombe will guide you through a breathing exercise that will change depending on how you're feeling that day. This isn't so much a choose-your-own-adventure in the way that Bandersnatch was. It's more something that you can return to frequently, though it seems you won't have access to the same breadth of exercises that are available to Headspace subscribers. Unwind Your Mind is the final of 3 shows Netflix ordered from Headspace for 2021. The first, Headspace Guide to Meditation, came out at the start of the year. The series saw Puddicombe highlight the different benefits of meditation across 8 20-minute episodes. A meditation experience might seem like a usual choice for an interactive show, but this is precisely the kind of variety Netflix promised when it said it would double down on the format following the success of Bandersnatch. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.